Hey y'all, it's Dana. Hope you're doing well today. I want to speak to ladies right now, wives that are hurting. There's been a situation in your marriage and your relationship that really has hurt you to your core. You've been betrayed, trust has been broken, and you look great on the outside, but on the inside, you're broken, falling to pieces, and don't even know what to do. I've been there. You know, you're the strong one. You're the first one in the family to do this, to go to college or to be a success, or the first one to really ever get married and do it the right way. And all these other things look great, but your marriage is struggling. There's been some sort of pain or trauma in your marriage, and you don't know what to do. You're scared to tell anyone because people will judge you. You go to church, you're in leadership positions at church, and if you say something in your marriage, then what are people going to think? You have all of these questions, but all the while you're smiling and you're going through and you're being a success on your job, you're being a success as a mom, but you're hurting, you feel alone, you don't feel understood, you don't feel loved, you're disconnected with the one that you love. I want to talk to you because it is a hard and lonely place to be. And if you stay in that place without getting help or talking to someone, your feelings are likely going to make a decision that you're going to regret. A lot of times, the pain that we experience clouds our judgment. We really can't see clearly. We can't see our husband clearly. We can't see our marriage clearly because the pain is so large and that it's just unexplainable. The pain that you're feeling, and you can't even talk to anyone. So you're having an internal conversation with yourself, and it's just getting worse. And some of you are feeling right now the only way that this is going to resolve itself is just to divorce or go your separate ways because you feel, I'm never going to trust you again. This is never going to be the same. I didn't sign up for this. I've had those same conversations with myself. And it wasn't until I got help, it wasn't until I actually spoke to someone that I trusted that things began to change for me. I couldn't go to my family because you shouldn't tell your family issues that you have in your marriage because that just causes another layer of problems. And so I actually reached out to some close friends. I reached out to a counselor just to get help to process through everything that I was going through. And it was then that I was able to see my marriage differently, see my husband differently after the betrayal. I mean, when it first happened, I was like, okay, get your stuff and be gone. Don't touch me. Don't touch my daughter. What type of man are you? How could you do this? So trust me, I've had all the thoughts you've probably had in your mind. But it was other people on the outside being able to help me see beyond the pain, to see beyond the hurt, and to see an opportunity for healing and restoration, an opportunity to have something better than what I thought I had before. And I want to give that to you as well. I want to help you see your marriage and see your relationship in a better place, a place that you had never dreamed of, that will be even better than what you've experienced over the past 2-3 years before this incident happened. In our program, we do that, and we encourage you to look beyond. We work with you to build back what was broken inside yourself and even inside of your marriage and your relationship. So I want to encourage you to not suffer in silence. Reach out to someone. You're still superwoman because you reached out for help. Don't be a superwoman that actually is failing on the inside, that's hurting and not having what she needs to be success because she's scared to say something. Say something. Just say something to the right person, a safe place, a person that can give you wise counsel and instruction, not a person that's going to feed you more negativity and no encouragement except, yeah, get out of that situation. You need someone that can objectively look at your situation and help you see the bright spots in it.